Okay, here is one of my favorite houses that are on the market right now. This house is listed by Virginia Calvin at $549. And if you don't know Tacoma very well, this is 6th Avenue, where all of the bars and shops and everything. And in the summer, they do a thing called Porch Fest. And this is the perfect house for that. It has plenty, since it's a corner lot, plenty of parking for all of your guests. You have a 2-car garage and a driveway. And this is where I would do all of my garden beds, right here in the front. This property is fully fenced, very sunny. Obviously, we're here on a beautiful day. Raised garden beds up here would be perfect. Look at this porch again for that Porch Fest. Great tree-lined street. Absolutely amazing. Let's go inside and you are going to absolutely love the finishes. Gives a very mid-century modern feel. I'm obsessed with these terracotta looking tiles throughout the main living space. Tons of storage. There's that garage that we were talking about. It is technically only a 2-bedroom, but it does have tons of bathrooms. Look at this kitchen. Absolutely love all of the tile detail in this house. They did an amazing job. I love the glass beveled front. Lots of storage, again, for some big appliances. Gas stove, we don't really see that very often anymore. Huge deck. We'll be going out there when we go through the primary bedroom. Again, here is your bathroom for guests, fully tiled with ample storage. All the fixtures and design choices they did in here, absolutely incredible. Look at how much storage this house has. Here is your guest bedroom that is also feels like a primary suite. So if you're looking for roommates, or you have adult children, or even teenagers that you just don't want to see their mess, they have an attached bathroom here, stand-up shower, and look at the size of this walk-in closet. Goes all the way around. This is huge. Really big room. Again, when I first walked through it, I thought it was the primary bedroom, but this one has its own primary bedroom. And this bathroom, the floors are heated. This towel rack is heated. And look at the size of this bathtub. And again, the tile work in this house is absolutely incredible. Here is your one of the closets for this room. And this is why I would consider this the primary suite, with those doors out to that big gigantic deck. And again, this is a second closet. It doesn't have any bars or anything like that, but it does have this pocket door, so you can close it. Beautiful fireplace, gas fireplace. And then again, onto this deck. So it could be your office, it could be used as your primary, it could be used as your guest bedroom, whatever you decide. And then this is where I would put my checking coop. If I were to be purchasing this home and using it as my city urban homesteading, and access to the front yard. Again, fully fenced yard right there on 6th Avenue.